Hey, hi, and welcome to Iceland. My name is Dejan Stojkovic, and I serve as a youth pastor here in Trans-European Division. And today we are in the amazingly beautiful part of Trans-European Division territory, and that is Iceland. At the same time, you need to know that we have around 6 groups of Seventh Adventist members here in Iceland, and today we are making our trip from Reykjavik to a place I cannot pronounce, but I will certainly put it in there so you can see it, and I will show you the map where we are going. So today I'm traveling with Griselda and also with Carly, and they are both missionaries. My friends, thank you so much for joining once again, and welcome to this journey. Carly, tell us where we are at the moment.
Yeah, we're in the Akureyri Seventh Adventist Church.
And
Gamle Lundur.
and what's happening this weekend here?
We're having a ski trip, so a bunch of youth and just families are coming up to Akureyri, the northern city, the biggest northern city of Iceland.